Hi, pre-algebra students. Today we are going to be learning about square roots. Now, square roots are something that we have to find. So let's go on a little adventure together. All right, I'm all dressed for my square root adventure. Let's go radical hunting. All right, class, we've made it. The land of square root forest. Where else to find square roots? The bottom of a tree. Got it! Ah, not a square one. I have a feeling the square root is somewhere near me. My square root sensor is beeping uncontrollably. Whoa, what is this? I see something. Could it be? Oh, it is. Look at that, how beautiful. That is a square root. Now that I have this square root, I must go learn to harness the power. Let's go. We've got to get back before it's too late. We can't lose the radical power. These cars, they're too fast for me. That was a close one, but we've made it. Let's get inside and study how to wield this power. I'm back at the lab. Let's examine what we've caught. It's beautiful. So this is called a square root. And that symbol is a radical. So let's take a step back and remember something from the beginning of the year. That is 3 to the exponent of 2, or 3 to the power of 2. And another way to say it is 3 squared. So that 2 tells us how many times the 3 shows up in multiplication. So 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. The radical here basically takes this process and reverses it. So it says that the square root of 9 is equal to 3. So we can think of this as what number when multiplied by itself is the number in the radical. Let's do some examples here. So the 25 here is inside the radical. So we think of this as what number, when multiplied by itself, is 25. Well, I know that 5 times 5 is 25, so the square root of 25 is 5. All right, square root of 16. So again, what number, when I multiply it by itself, is 16. I know that 4 times 4 is 16, so the square root of 16 is 4. Take a few seconds here and try out the square root of 144 and the square root of 1. All right, so I know that 12 times 12 is 144, so the square root of 144 must be 12. Square root of 1 is a little trickier, so give yourself a pat on the back if you got this. But I know that 1 times 1 is 1, so the square root of 1 is 1. Thank you everyone for taking the time to watch this. I will be posting these multiple times each week until we are back in school. Hope you enjoyed it. If not, I hope you at least learned something. I would really appreciate watching all of them and then completing the Delta Maths that are posted on Cougar Campus. Hope to see you all soon, and have a good one.